In this lesson, we are going to study surface areas of pyramids and cones. The new word which we will be studying is slant height. Slant height. Now observe, slant height is L. It is the height which is on the triangle, the perpendicular line which is on the triangle, that is called the slant height. And H is the height of the pyramid. So L is the slant height and H is the height of the pyramid. And this is the base of the pyramid. In this lesson, we are going to study only square pyramid. So the base of the pyramid is a square. The formula to find the lateral area of a square pyramid. Lateral area. The formula to find the lateral area, LA, of a square pyramid. LA is equal to 2BL. What does B stand for? B is the edge length. This is B, the edge length. And what does L stand for? L is the slant height. So the formula to find the lateral area of a square pyramid is 2BL. The formula to find the surface area of a square pyramid is LA plus B. And what does B stand for? It is the area of the base. Area of the base. And in a square pyramid, there is only one base. This is called the vertex of the pyramid. So the formula to find the lateral area of the pyramid is 2BL. And the B is the base edge. And the formula to find SA is LA plus B. And here the capital B is the area of the base. Let's do this problem. The photo at the right shows the pyramid arena in Tennessee. Find the lateral area to determine the amount of siding material it needs. So what is the formula to find the lateral area of a pyramid? It is 2BL. And what does L stand for? Slant height, which is 367 feet. And what does B stand for? It is the edge length, which is 450. So LA is equal to 2 times 450 times 367. So if you use your calculator, 2 multiplied with 450 multiplied with 367, so LA is equal to 330,300 feet squared. Okay, let's do this. Find the lateral area of the Great Pyramid of Khufu shown at the right. Find the lateral area. So lateral area is 2BL. And L stands for the slant height, which is 611 feet. And B stands for the base edge length, which is 755 feet. So LA is equal to 2 times, how much is B? 755. And L is 611. Multiply them and you get 9,000 922,610 feet square. That is the lateral area of the pyramid. And then find the surface area of the pyramid. What is the formula to find the surface? What is the formula to find the surface area of a square pyramid? It is LA plus 2B. And what does B stand for? The area of the base. Area of the base. And what is the shape of the base of the pyramid? It's a square. And how much is the side? 755. So LA, which is 922,610. LA is 922,610 plus 2 times the area of the base. Since the base is a square, the area of the square, which is 755 times 755. 755 times 755. Now use your calculator, and that is going to be 206,660 feet squared. Now let's go to finding the lateral area and surface area of a cone. First, let us understand the different parts of the cone. This is called the vertex. This side is called the slant height of the cone L. And this perpendicular line is called the height of the cone H. And of course, this is the radius of the cone. The formula to find the lateral area of a cone is pi r L. What does R stand for? It is the radius of the cone. And what does L stand for? The slant height. So the formula to find LA of a cone is pi r L. And the formula to find the surface area of the cone is LA plus B. And the B is the area of the base. Area of the base. What is the shape of the base in a cone? It is a circle. So what is the formula to find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. So LA is pi r L, and SA is LA plus B, and B is area of the base, which is pi r squared. Find the surface area of the cone at the right to the nearest square meter. Do we know how much is the slant height L in the cone? It is 30 meters. And how much is the diameter of the cone? It is 14 meters. So how much is the radius of the cone? 7 meters, half of the diameter. What is the formula to find the lateral area of the cone? It is pi r L, which is pi times L, which is 7, and R is 7 and L is 30. So R is 7 and L is 30 meters. So use your calculator. It is 659.7, approximately 660 meter square. That is LA. But the question is asking us to find the surface area of the cone. The formula to find the the surface area of the cone. Surface area of the cone is LA plus B. And what does B stand for? It is the area of the base. And in a cone, the shape of the base is a circle. So the formula to find the area of the circle is pi r squared. And how much is the radius of the cone given in the question? 7 meters. So pi times 7 squared. So we can do here LA is 660 approximately. 660 plus pi times 7 squared, which will be equal to, and this is going to be 813.9. Round to the nearest whole number, 814 meter square. That is the surface area of the cone. Let's try one more. Find the surface area of the cone at the right to the nearest square yard. So in the cone, how much is the slant height of the cone? This is the slant height, which is 5 yards. And how much is the diameter of the cone? 8 yards. So how much will the radius be? 4 yards. What is the formula? LA is pi RL, which is pi times the radius is 4 and the slant height is 5. And it is going to be 62.8, which is approximately 63 yard square. That is LA of the pyramid. But the question is asking to find the surface area. What is the formula to find the surface area of the pyramid? Surface area is LA plus B. And what does B stand for? It is the area of the base. Area of the base. And the shape of the base is a circle. So B is pi r squared. And we found LA to be 63. So LA is 63 plus the area of the base, which is pi r squared. How much is the radius? 4. So 4 squared. And use your calculator now, and that is going to be 113.26. Round to the nearest whole number, it is going to be 113 yard squared. Let's see this. Describe the difference between the lateral area of a square pyramid and the surface area of a square pyramid. Now, will the lateral area be less than or greater than or equal to surface area? The lateral area will be less than the surface area. Why? Because lateral area does not include the base, area of the base. That is the reason lateral area will always be less than the surface area. A square pyramid has a lateral area of 10.25 meters squared and a base area B of 5.3 meters squared. Find its surface area. So in this question, the lateral area is already given, 10.25. And the area of the base is also given, 5.3. So we need to just find the surface area. What is the formula to find the surface area of a square pyramid? It is lateral area plus the area of the base, which is B. How much is LA given in the question? 10.25. So 10.25 plus, what is the area of the base which is given in the question? 5.3. 5.3. So how much is this? It is 15.55 meter squared. Use the cone at the right. The slant height L is how many meters? This is the slant height. So it is 14 meters. Write an expression for lateral area using pi. What is the formula to find the lateral area of a cone? It is pi r L. And how much is the radius of the cone? 4. So pi times 4 times L is 14. So LA is equal to 14 times 4 is 56. And the question says write an expression for lateral area using pi. So pi has to remain as it is. 14 times 4 is 56. So LA is 56 pi. Write an expression you can simplify to find the surface area. What is the formula to find the surface area of a cone? It is LA plus B. And B stands for the area of the base, which is the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. And since the radius is 4, this is going to be pi 4 squared, which is 16 pi. So SA is equal to LA, which we found out to be 56 pi, plus B, which is 16 pi. Are they like terms? 56 pi plus 16 pi. Can we add them? Yes, we can. If you simplify, 56 pi plus 16 pi is 72 pi. Now, find the surface area of each pyramid. So in this question, what is now in this, how much is the slant height? The slant height is 1.2 yards. 1.2 yard. 2 times 1 times 1.2. 2.4. Which is 2.4 yard square. And the area of the base is going to be 1 times 1, which is 1. SA is equal to LA plus B. LA is 2.4 plus 1, which is 3.4 yard square. And in the same way, you will do number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11. Now in this question, find the surface area of each cone to the nearest square unit. Now how much is how much is slant height of this cone? 11 feet. And how much is the radius given in this? 4. What is the formula to find LA of the cone? It is pi r L. So just plug it in. Pi times 4 times 11, which is going to be equal to 138.2. It says round to the nearest square unit, so which is 138 feet squared. That is LA. Now, the formula to find the area of the base, and the base happens to be a circle, which is pi r squared. Pi times the radius is 4, so 4 squared. So B is going to be equal to 50.3. The formula to find the surface area is LA plus B. And LA we found out was 138 and B was 50.3. So LA is 138 plus B is 50.3. So that is going to be equal to 188.3. Round to the nearest square unit, which is 188 feet squared. Feet squared. That is LA. And that's how you're going to do number 13, number 14, number 15. Give it a try. And that completes